This group is called the Southwest Wisconsin Behavioral Health Partnership, and we're together today at a summit in Platteville, meeting about all kinds of different behavioral health issues. It's a wonderful event, suicide prevention, opioids and other addictions, and all these other kinds of things that we're trying to figure out how to make a difference in our communities in Southwest Wisconsin. So everybody's working together, and that's what this is about.
And so what are some of the activities that are occurring today?
Well, we've got an introduction from John McKnight. John McKnight is one of the founders of asset-based community development, and that belief that communities have the answers, that we have the strengths and the assets in our communities that already are there that we can use to make a stronger community. So he's going to speak first. We're going to have all of our different counties and what they're working on. They're going to talk about what their kind of their priority issues are and what they're working on and what their strengths are. So they're kind of working off of what John McKnight talked about. So at lunchtime, we are going to have a group of University Platteville singers sing a song that is a suicide prevention song. It's actually a really beautiful and really neat song. Right after that, we'll have our legislative session. So we'll be asking some legislators some questions about emergency detentions and things that are happening around emergencies and crisis with mental health in our communities. There's a lot of good active talking and learning from each other today. So that's really what this is about.
And why is this important for this part of Wisconsin?
I think a lot of times, from my perspective, we look to institutions, we look to healthcare, or we look to schools, and that's really not going to solve our problems. And so this event looks at behavioral health, looks at mental health and addiction and things, but from a community perspective, looking at what people can do, what they already have, and what they're already working on together, and then trying to find our path forward then on these issues. It's all of us working and finding what we're already doing, really, and enhancing what we've got. So it's exciting. I'm really excited. So.